During my stay in Japan, I visited my sister's family. We decided to have shabu-shabu for dinner. This time, my sister is doing the cooking and I'm filming the video. Shabu-shabu is so much fun when everyone gathers around the table to eat. Shabu-shabu is simple. Just cut some vegetables. It's great for family time. In Japanese supermarkets, thinly sliced meat for shabu-shabu is sold. These are yakiniku-style beef tongue slices. I also bought some delicious-looking thinly sliced Iberico pork and pork loin. Since Japanese green onions are thick, slice them thinly on a diagonal. Cut the napa cabbage into about 2-inch pieces. Since the vegetables will release moisture, arrange them on a plate with a strainer. Cut the shiitake mushrooms into 3 or 4 diagonal pieces and slice the stems thinly to use as well.
4分の1にする？
Peel the carrot and slice it thinly using a slicer.
バラでも作る？水に浸すと本当はもういいんだけど、もっと食べるならあれだけど。センスが通れる。なんとこんな高くなるか。もう切っちゃったよ。
Slice the king oyster mushrooms thinly lengthwise.
薄く。
I told my sister that for the past few years, I've noticed that if you rinse the rice too strongly, it becomes sticky.
そんなに飛ばなくてもいいみたいね、ご飯ね。飛びすぎるとべちゃってしちゃうんですよね。
本当はね。
Put a piece of kombu in a pot and add 1.5 liters of water. Use a pot with good heat conductivity. If you don't have a copper pot, a clay pot works fine too. When bubbles start to appear, remove the kombu. Now the shabu-shabu begins.
Shabu-shabu っていうの。Shabu-shabu。
The name Shabu-Shabu is said to come from the swishing sound of washing a wet hand towel. Jab jab.
色が変わったでしょ。この色ね。これ豚だよ。牛そっちにある？
もういいこれ。
自己責任です。
なんか豚ロース？
柔らかいじゃん。そっちの薄いのは大丈夫。それ豚バラ。
If shabu-shabu sauce isn't available at your local supermarket, try the recipe in the description.
もっと薄いともっと早くなってるね。まただ。嘘よね、それね。全部。牛食べる？これみたいに食べられないよ、牛は。
ディップしなくていいの？食べてます。野菜が待ってるんです。
Fat will come out of the meat, so occasionally skim off the scum with a skimmer. ちゃんのスイカ。
はい。少なかった。
ちょっと少ないかも、マルニーちゃん。
はい。
ちょっとマルニーちゃん横で見せてください。これをこうやって見て。マルニー。はい、お願いいたします。箸あげで。